Hi guys, my name is Hashim. I am a product designer. I will teach you 3D product designing in Rhino in very easy method. You can design household product, home decor product, etc. Some people were saying to me from long time that we have to learn product designing. Then I thought, why I teach the guys online? If you want to be the best 3D product designer and you are a creative mind and you want to make beautiful eye-catching product, learn 3D product designing by me. I use Rahino 3D designing software for product designing. All the 3D product designing I will teach you on Rahino. Very first, you should learn basic shapes like solid and circle, arc, surfaces. First, I will show you screen area. See here, this is menu bar and this is command history window down from the menu bar, and here command prompt. You can execute command from here also, and these are four viewport: top, front, right, perspective. Zoom out by scrolling the mouse center wheel and right click mouse button, and you can move perspective area like this, and here you can zoom in, zoom out also. First, see here, uh, we'll start with basic shapes: solid, box, corner to corner. See the box, you can make box like this. Center radius is sphere, make a sphere. See precisely how to make these shapes, I will show you in the next video. First, you can start uh, from this. You can make this type of shapes like this from the solid menu, and from here you will draw a circle. You can draw circle. These are very important shape for the product designing, uh, because you can make product by these shapes. And see here, we will make a square. See, make a square like this. This is very simple. You can make it and practice by this. Next, in the next video I will come with new features and with new shapes. For then, thank you, bye.